Hello everybody, this is David. I was wanting to give my thoughts about the new Mach 2 by Race Day Quads. Um, I see this as a huge benefit to anybody that has ran a Mach 1, which currently I do have a Mach 1 in my Bolt RC Kraken 5R. Uh, the big reason I wanted Mach 2 is I know they are reliable, they're easy to set up, but this right here is the biggest benefit. Whenever you're running a compact build, sometimes it's a little bit harder to actually know where to put your wires. And also having a 5-volt output for your camera, which most traditional cameras do run on 5 volts. And when you've got a ground for your camera also, that's a huge benefit. It's going to be a lot cleaner. This particular one is filtered. So the original Mach 1 was not filtered. So in my case, I've got huge amounts of video noise that's coming through my DVR, or well, just my goggles in general. You can see here it's just mocked up. Well, get that mock, but it is ran directly to my PDB, and I do have a 1000 farad capacitor, but it did not help. This one has several different voltages you can run through. I can show you here. It does have 25 milliwatt, which is good for racers. So the video power is 25 milliwatt at 100 milliamp, 200 milliwatt at 180 milliamp, 500 milliwatt at 250 milliamp, and then for freestyle guys in long range, 800 milliwatt at 300 milliamps, and that's shown to be a 12 volt. But this particular unit, they've got two options. They got UFL, which is what I've got, and then you've got MMCX. That's to me, it's more of a newer type of connection. It's kind of like a quick disconnect. Like if you see a air tool at a shop, it's got a quick disconnect. That's what the MMCX is kind of designed after. Well, not designed after, but it is made similar to that, so it's a lot easier to work with. You just push your antenna right in, and it just snaps right in. So it's pretty cool little feature. As far as size, you are looking at a burned up Team Black Sheep Unify Pro. This is a race edition, so it only went up to 200 milliwatts. But these typically run like, I think I found one of these for, I think 29 bucks maybe. Well, you can get this for less than 30 bucks. It has really the same features as a Unify, but you've got the benefit of having a digital output, so you'll be able to see what you're doing. It shows, well, it does have smart audio. You've got a microphone, which some people don't understand the benefit of a microphone, but sometimes if you have a certain oscillation going on, sometimes you're able to hear it through your headphones, especially if you've got fat shark dominators. You can actually hear the noise and sometimes determine if it's, let's say, like a high D gain. It's got more of a chirping sound to it when your D gain is high. You know, just a couple different things is a benefit of having a microphone. But yeah, I think this is going to be a big benefit to everybody that's had any type of video issues with the Mach 1. I think the Mach 2 is the answer. Um, but my favorite part was having 5-volt pre-out to where I can actually power up my camera, and it's not going to be in the same line as my PDB. So the power coming off of PDB into the Mach 2. I like how compact it is, though. It is really compact for the power that you're able to set it at. It is a nice unit. Slightly a little bit smaller than a Team Black Sheep Unify. So, but guys, just come back later. I'll get this wired up and get a couple DVRs out and just give you an idea of what it looks like as far as my video. Now, you don't have to do this, but I would probably recommend putting a capacitor on your voltage input for the video transmitter. I think it'd be, it wouldn't hurt nothing as long as you've got room for it. I'd recommend it. But if you got any questions, you can contact Race Day Quads. I am not getting paid for this little review, little box opening. So if you got any questions, just contact them. If there's anything that I can help you with, just send me over a message and I'll try to help you out. But alright guys, I believe Race Day Quads is really got it figured out now, and I think this is going to be a big benefit to anybody that's trying to save some money, because a 800 milliwatt from Team Black Sheep, you're looking about $50. But you've got your die-hard folks out there that only runs Team Black Sheep, or they only run, I'll come back, or they run Immersion Tramp, which neither one of these companies, I'm trying to knock them out. They're really good company. They're reliable companies. I've had work done to the Tramp and they fixed it for me. Mach 1 and Mach 2 from Race Day Quads, I'm guaranteeing they're going to be able to help you if anything ever were to go out on it. But before I go, I want to get a weight on this. Alright, so we're zeroed out. Oops, just touched it with my hand. So I'm going to put the unit with the antenna, UFL. So you got 8 grams. Alright, put your wiring harness for the camera, and then you've got your video harness. So a combination of them two added with it is about 1 gram. Also, Race Day Quads, if you need some Velcro straps, you got some, buddy. Good straps, I like them. They've upgraded to the metal. I think I've got some of the old somewhere.